Feet are one of the most complex parts of your body, with 26 bones, 33 joints, and muscles. When they're healthy and well supported, you can stride through life with a smile. But even small foot problems can lead to bigger ones, like backaches, hip and knee pain, and constant tiredness that keep you from doing the things you have to do, and even worse, the things you love to do. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be that way. It is possible to end the pain and take back your life with the help from the specialists at Foot Solutions. Foot Solutions' highly trained staff measures and evaluates every aspect of your feet, from the usual things of length and width to how to distribute your weight when you walk and how that affects your posture and balance. Through advanced technology and digital analysis, Foot Solutions can accurately pinpoint problem areas and educate you on how to better care for your feet. Your Foot Solutions experience lasts about 30 minutes. By the end of the process, they've learned all about your goals. Whether those goals are health or sports related, they're ready to help you get on the road to achieving them. Through Foot Solutions' wide selection of attractive, top-quality shoes, they can recommend ones that are just right for you and show you how your shoes can be customized with a variety of inserts. They can even make personalized modifications to shoes right in the store to make sure the fit is perfect, so you end up with shoes you love to wear. Lots of people think that aching feet are normal, and feeling too tired at the end of the day to enjoy your time off is just the way things are. Foot Solutions is dedicated to proving that's not true and showing you how shoes that look good, fit beautifully, and treat you to real support and comfort can actually change your life, or as they say, rejuvenate your soul.